Put a lot more. There you go. You got, you know, you got to factor in for leakage and all that.
Okay, you're doing three. Yeah. Get your backups ready too, Mark.
You a little nervous there?
Hey Jeff, get your backup.
Okay.
That way you're ready.
I'm gonna make sure these hit the first time.
Okay. Which way is the room? The room's going this way. Tilted slightly that way. I'm just gonna play the
I would go at the same time.
Yes, instead of running up there one after the other.
There's no fun. It can't be. This is video? Or you just okay? All right. This is crazy then. Ready on the left. Ready on the right. Ready on the far left. I think maybe the bags would have kept it in there.
Yeah, we should have put some bags around.
Just try that, William, or no?
Try it off to this one.
Okay.
No. I know we dropped in there.